And welcome back. Well, the quest for younger looking skin is something that's not new, but certainly the treatments have improved. Our next guest is combining two treatments that's helping minimize fine lines, wrinkles, scars, stretch marks, and more.
Dr. Amanda Reiswig is here with EvolvMD MedSpa and Body Contouring to talk about a dynamic duo.
Well, thank you, ladies. I love being here.
We love seeing you, too, especially when you talk about things that are so cool that make people look and I think feel younger. So let's talk about these two treatments that can be done on everyone's skin safely that improves complexion no matter what their issue is.
Right. I mean, a lot of times lasers aren't safe if you've had a tan or if you're a darker skin tone. So these are treatments everyone can benefit from. Okay. So we're talking about Dermapen, which is a form of microneedling. It's been around the last 20 years or so. Microneedling's really come into its own, and then Dermapen is the leading device on the market, and it really can treat all those hard to reach areas on the face and go right up under the lash line, right around the lip line. And with those micro needles entering the skin, we're forming micro channels that stimulate collagen formation and allow for better product penetration.
Okay, so when you break down exactly what micro needling is, it's basically a little device that has tiny little needles that goes in and punctures the skin.
That's
right?
correct. So there's different modalities on the market, and the Dermapen itself looks about like a highlighter. Okay. It's electric, and it goes right over, glides in the skin, and they form these vertical channels, so there's no tearing, and it's very fast. It feels like a cat licking your face.
Okay. That's amazing. So it treats fine lines, wrinkles, acne and trauma scars, it could be from surgery, stretch marks, pigmentation issues, and it's safe for, like you said, right under the eye.
Right. It can be done anywhere in the body, so women who've had babies and get the stretch marks on the abdomen, you can treat those as well.
You can do it on the abdomen.
Yeah, absolutely.
Are these
This is acne scarring that's benefited from Dermapen treatments.
A lot of people have that right on the cheek, right there from you know, growing up, you know. And this too, all these fine lines, that looks phenomenal.
Right, and so it's a great treatment for people that don't have the downtime and can't really afford the lasers, so it's, you know, cost effective, and there are still phenomenal results. So that, you know, hard to treat crow's feet, and again, those going right under the lash line, perfect.
That's amazing. We're going to take a look at some video too. And I wanted to ask you how many treatments usually that you recommend for people to achieve maximum results?
Well, maximum results do vary, but our clients on average start with about 3 monthly treatments.
Okay. And this video is what?
So that was just with the surgical blade. That was a Derma Planing. It's an upgraded service, and now this is the actual pen, and you can see it just gliding along the surface.
Fast, really fast.
Right. We're talking a less than 20-minute treatment. Here we go. That's again the Derma Planing, removing the peach fuzz and exfoliating the skin surface.
Okay. When I think of dermaplaning, I think of kind of like shaving your face. It's a real good exfoliation.
Right. It's actually, you know, it comes around and goes. It's been around for centuries. Cleopatra did it. Marilyn Monroe did it. Yeah. And it's been on Good Morning America recently. Yeah. So everyone's been talking about it, and it's just that red carpet ready. It gets you some results. As soon as you walk out, you just feel dewy and glowing skin, which is great because with the Dermapen, that is results that you do see weeks to months later. So you get a nice benefit right away when you combine it with the Derma Planing.
They always talk about the fact that men's skin is so much better because they shave their face. And if you do Derma Planing as a female, you can get similar results that men just automatically get from having a beard.
Right. And with that being said, you know, it's not the same as getting a lady shaver and shaving your face at home because we're not removing terminal hairs. We are focusing on the peach fuzz and exfoliation. So it's about a once-a-month kind of treatment if you wanted to fit it into your lifestyle that we recommend.
It really brightens the face right away too, doesn't it?
Your makeup just, you know, flawless. If you want that airbrushed finish, you've got an event coming up, it's the perfect adjunct treatment.
It's wonderful.
When you're doing things like Dermaplane, how do you maximize the benefits? Because I know you had said earlier it kind of opens these channels, allows products to penetrate deeper. Is that what you want at that moment then, is to use a really great product after?
So with the Dermapen, we do offer 2 upgraded services, and one is to take advantage of those microchannels at that time and use a really pure product. It's a growth factor. It's the #1 growth factor in Europe. When you apply it to the surface, It goes right down into the cells and is adding to the Dermapen to stimulate collagen formation. And then to even top that, you know, to the next level, you want to add a Derma Planing, because that's going to allow that anti-aging treatment to get down deep and allow you to, when you leave our office, to feel like your skin is super healthy.
Like a baby's bottom.
You have a special offer we're going to put up right now, this week only. What is the special that you're offering for this dynamic duo?
When you buy your Dermapen treatment for the next 7 days, we're going to add on a Derma Planing treatment so you can test it out for yourself and see the difference in your own skin.
It's wonderful. That's an almost $100 savings.
It is.
Mention the Morning Blend to get it. Don't forget. Here's where you can find EvolvMD. That's right, they're right in Tosa. The phone number on your screen to call for an appointment is 414-479-0113, or EvolvMD.com is the website for more information. Thanks so much, Amanda.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Great to see you again.